Namaskara everyone. Now we shall present a Kirtane, Bho Shambho of Sri Dayananda Saraswati in Raga Revati set to Aditala, sung by Shrihan Kurpad and accompanied on the Mridangam by Kushal Rao. Please enjoy. Thank you.
Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho 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 Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara Mamava Bhava Sagara Taraka Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara Mamava Bhava Sagara Taraka Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancharahita Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancharahita Nija Guha Nihita Nitanta Ananta Ananda Atishaya Akshaya Linga Nija Guha Nihita Nitanta Ananta Ananda Atishaya Akshaya Linga Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Dimita Dimita Dimi Dimi Kita Kita Tom 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 Tare Kita Kita Tom Dimita Dimita Dimi Dimi Kita Kita Tom 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 Tare Kita Tom Matanga Munivara Vandita Isha Sarvadigambara Vestita Vesha Matanga Munivara Vandita Isha Sarvadigambara Vestita Vesha Nitya Niranjana Nitya Natesha Nitya Niranjana Nitya Natesha Isha Sabesha Sarve Sa Isha Sabesha Sarve Sa Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho